Welcome back to the channel, legends. I'm obviously Pokey Legendaries, and today I am super keen, because I have just picked up 10 packs of Vivid Voltage. Now, one of the subscribers commented on one of my videos saying, can you open these? And luckily enough, my local store had these in stock, so I thought, why not? Let's just do it. I haven't opened this pack up for years, so obviously we're after this Chonkachu, infamous Chonkachu. So without further ado, let's just crack into it, shall we? We'll start with the Chonkachu. First pack, you guys, code card. I believe it's 4 to the front for these older ones. Yes. Alright, Lightning Energy. Let's see that as a sign. Slugma, Whismur, Execute, Woobat. Into a Dux Noir, Rare, Holo Rare. So my last video last week, guys, was the Future Flash Japanese set opening. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you haven't seen it already, why don't you go click on this link to watch it. Got a few good pulls. I think I opened 10 packs. Same with this, I'm opening 10 packs today. So if you enjoy watching this video or me opening packs in general, why don't you support me? Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notifications for future videos where I will be doing giveaways. So keep an eye out on them, and thanks for the support, guys. It's been absolutely awesome so far. So I love doing this. This is a hobby, and I just want to be able to continue doing this on the side. So let's hit it. Matane, Alistair, Skiddo, Eevee, Trubbish, Sharpet, Chewtle, Mikago into a Barraskewda normal. Alright, next one, got the Celebi artwork. It's hard to believe this set came out years ago, maybe 2020? This was one of the first sets that I opened when I was getting back into Pokemon cards, because I collected way back when Plasma Blast, Diamond and Pearl era, but yeah, around when Vivid Voltage and Rebel Clash and the Sword and Shield base set were coming out is when I started to get back into it. So it's been a crazy ride since then. The amount of sets that have come out is just insane. Weedle, Fortress, into a Holo Rare. Alright. Zarude artwork. Let's see if we pull something. Now, my pull rate on this set in the past hasn't been too well. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we do get one today. DeWatt, League Staff, Drillbur, Clefairy, Wailmer, Tynamo, Execute. Oh, I forgot they have amazing rares in this one. Zamazenta Amazing Rare. With the little A down there. That's stunning. Awesome, that's a good pull for the video. Next pack. I don't know what happened to Amazing Rares. They really just fell off. They just stopped making them. I actually liked them. They were really cool. Comment down below if you thought Amazing Rares were a good addition to sets, and if you want them back, or I personally do, though. I think they're pretty cool. They're better than, you know, like a reverse holo or a holo, to be honest. Some holos are cool when you get like these patterns. Alright, next pack, we are halfway, guys. Orbeetle artwork. Code card. Four to the front. Fighting Energy, Nessa, Excadrill, Duskull, Ferroseed, Riolu, Sandile. Well, what do you know? What are the odds of that? Wow, that is a gorgeous card. Rayquaza, amazing rare. Bit of something there, but wow. 2-in-1 video, that's awesome, guys. Alright, let's see. Another audio artwork. Alright, code card. 4 to the front. Leaf Energy, let's do it. Water Energy, alright. Paralysis, Dusclops, Clefairy, Tynamo, Milcery. Yes, nice. Colossal V. Yep, I'll take that. That's awesome. Into another Celebi artwork. Come on, Chonkachu, where are you at? Where are you? Code card, 4 to the front. Let's do it. Hitmontop, Swoobat, Chatot, Joltik, Cottony, Mudbray, Slugma, Seedot. Oh my god, back to back. Aegislash V. Nice. Look how many pulls we're getting. Well, wouldn't really consider those pulls, but 2 amazing rares and 2 V cards. And we are down to our last 2 packs, guys. Last 2 packs. I reckon we leave the Chonkachu till last. Let's get the Zarude for the second last pack. Alright. Code card. Nessa, Nuzleaf, Wash Energy, Riolu, Eevee, Seedot, Electrike, Clefairy, Whismur, Quagsire, non-holo. Into our Chonkachu last pack, you guys. Last pack. As always, gotta try for that last pack magic. Always. Alright, let's do this. Trumbeak, Nessa, Riolu, Sandile, Walma, Weedle, Beldum, oh, and a double Aegislash V. Okay, well that's definitely something. Why not? When I sort out this next giveaway, I'll send this with it. Any pulls that I don't need in any of the videos leading up to the giveaway, I will attach these as well. So it's one big pack. So let's do that. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching me open these packs, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notifications for all future videos and giveaways. Really appreciate all the support so far. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one, legends. Cheers.